Hi, this is Juliana. I want to show you how to make a few things with your lavender, some DIYs. So I'm gonna show you how to make a body spray, a calming body spray, a face enriching spray, face let's see, soothing spray, and mascara let's see what do you call it when you want to kill germs. Anyway, antibacterial, and body cream. I'm thinking too. Sorry, I'm trying to talk fast. Scented body cream, and then I'm even going to throw in a cat litter, scented cat litter helper. Okay, so we're going to do all of those because they're so easy. The first thing I want to show you how to do is this body calming spray. I've found this label. It's Calm Me Down Body Spray. It's basically lavender and water and a little bit of witch hazel. Hey, Jessica. So this is how to do it. You take a spray bottle, and we always use glass. And I put in this is an 8-ounce bottle, and I'm going to put in, whoops, oh my gosh, hold on. I had everything except the lavender. Anyway, so you take lavender, and I'm going to put in 10. And so this is the Calm Me Down spray, and then I'm going to put in like a teaspoon of witch hazel. It doesn't have to be exact. So this is some witch hazel, and that's it. And then you fill the rest with water. And what's nice about this is because it's such a small amount of oil, you can make a lot of these with it. And the other thing this is so you can spray your pillows to calm you down with this lavender spray. The same one you can spray your body with, I put in about 10 sprays. Now if you put in this bottle maybe 2 drops, you could also use it to spray your pets and their pet bedding. But I put about 10 sprays, so this is a little stronger, but it smells awesome. So that's this. And the same thing you take for the face spray. This will, like if you have inflamed areas in your skin, or you just want to nourish and moisturize your skin, you'd put in this, and you put in the lavender. This is a little 4-ounce bottle, and I'm going to put in 5 drops of lavender. But I also like to put a little geranium in, so I know you don't have that, but I'm going to put it in here. This is 4. And then you do the little bit of this, and you put in the witch hazel. You can use vodka too if you want, but it keeps the oil and the water mixed up. And then you put the rest of that in, the water, and that's it. I mean, can you believe how easy this is? The hardest part is going and buying the bottles, I guess. And that's it. So that's the face spray, and so then you just, it's a really nice when you have air conditioning drying your skin out, or in the wintertime, the heat. But anyway, I love this stuff. All right, there's that. The other thing because the lavender kills germs, because you can even make a cleaning spray with it. I'm not going to do that today. But when you get a new thing of mascara, you take 1 drop of lavender, put it in the tube, and then you put this in and mix it up. And that's it. And not only does it nourish your eyelashes, but it helps kill the bacteria in your mascara. So you just need 1 drop in that whole thing. Okay, so that's that. And then the last thing I want to show, so DoTerra makes this hand and body lotion that's unscented, and it's real liquidy. So the reason why is that you can make your own whatever scents you want. So you put in, let's say I want to make lavender spray. So you're going to take this, take the plastic cap off of this, and these little pipettes, and you pull it out, however many drops you want, and so you pull it out there, and there's a little hole right there, and you just put it in, let it drop in, that's it. And so you can make your own. And what's nice about these, remember, these are not artificial fragrance, these are real. So these won't make you, these don't have hormones disruptors, and they won't make you sick, they won't give you asthma, they won't do all those bad things that some of the artificial fragrance does. So this is the real thing. So then you just shake it up, and That's it. This is great. It's called doTerra Spa Hand and Body Lotion. All natural, and then you can make whatever scent you want. So that's the lavender. And then the last thing is I have cats, and so I have cat litter. And I have a cup of baking soda. And then in a cup of baking soda, I put 1 drop of lavender. So 1. That's it. That's all you need. And so if your pets have anxiety or just stressed or whatever, for whatever reason, and you shake it up, and then you let it sit for 24 hours, and then you take a tablespoon every time you change the litter box. You can sprinkle a tablespoon of that into the litter box, and they get it in through the bottom of their paws. Anyway, so we covered a lot today. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll put the recipes for these down in the comments. But you have some samples that are dynamite for your life, dynamite for your health, and you just won't believe all the things you're going to be able to do with the samples you have. Okay, so be sure and ask questions of the person who sent you the samples, and you can also post questions below and I'll answer them. Have a great day. Bye-bye.